Hi everyone, welcome in Excel trick. Today we're doing the new trick in Excel analysis our data. So analysis our data tool is one of the tool that empower you to understand your data through the natural language queries and that allow you to ask a question about your data without having a write a complicated functions, queries and the pivot tables. In addition, the analysis data provides a high level of visual summaries, trends and the patterns. So let's see how to use our data in the uh, with the analysis data tool. So I have one of the data, that is data I picked from the Kaggle, and this is a Titanic data set. So in the Titanic data set, we have all the columns and some rows are here. So this is related to the passengers details. So first of all, whenever you're creating a data, so you need the proper clean data. That means is your columns headers in a particular columns header not be a blank. So if your column header will be blank, so you can't analyze your data, you can't understand what is this feature name, what is the column name. So first of all, for creating the analysis, you need a columns header in that one. Then the null values, you need to check the all the null values. Null values are not there, my data is clean, my data have the proper headers. Then convert data into the first of all in the table. So for converting a table, you need to go into the insert tab, then we have the table option. Now it's a disabled. Why? Because this is the already I created a table here. So this is already converted in table. That's the reason it's not showing as a for table feature. And shortcut for converting a table is Control T. You need to press Control T, and then automatically data will be converted into the table. Now my data is in the table format. Now I'm going into the home tab. Then in the last right hand side, you can see here the analyze data option is here. So this is very important too. So I click here, analyze the data. Now you can see here the wizard is open for the analyze data. Now you can see here they're showing the first box here is saying ask a question about your data. So if you click here, they will be suggest you four questions. So they will be suggest how many different names are there. So this is a natural language processing, this is the AI behind of this data tool. So because they are suggesting us the about insights of the data. Now you can see here the percentage of distribution. I'm looking for this, so I click here. Now you can see here this is the this is all about my data count of impact. And if you want to insert it, so you need to click on insert pivot chart. Now you can see here the one suggestion one, then one sheet is added the name as a suggestion one. And you can see here this is showing the header of this sheet, percentage of percentage distribution of impact, and the impact is SCQ, and this is a count of percentage, and this is a chart. So we doesn't need to write any query, any pivot table, any power query, nothing. We need to click and we need to ask a question about our data. So I click here. Now you can see here many suggestions are here. So here you can see here the discover insights. You need to click on the discover insights. Now you can see here which field interest you the most. So let's suppose I'm looking for the, this is all my columns headers. That's the reason I'm saying that column headers are very important, that features are very important. So features should be there, the column headers should be there, then you can analyze your data. So you can see here the all the headers are here. So you can see here the drop down option in the right hand side, summarize value by. So you can select anything from the here. Let's suppose I'm looking for the passenger ID as a sum. So, but I'm not looking for the passenger ID sum because this is my unique ID. So any feature, let's suppose I'm looking for the ticket price. For the sum, what is the ticket price is there, what is a fare. So any column, if you're looking for the sum, so you can average change, you can change it. And you can let's suppose I'm looking for the this as a average. So I click on this here in the drop down, then I convert it as a average. Okay, fare I'm looking for as a sum, so I put it as a sum. If I'm looking for the average, I change it as a average. Now I click on the update. Now you can see here your everything will be changed, your suggestion will be also changed, your suggestion will be showing as a percentage of that particular ones. And in the below, if you're going down, you can see here the many suggestions are there showing. Here we have the scatter chart, You can put it there. You can see here, this is the fare and this is a passenger ID. So where my maximum fare will be there and where is a maximum passengers is booked. So you can analyze with the here, how many survived, fare by survived and p class. This is the what is a fare of for the passenger ID, maximum passenger ID have how much paid. So you can analyze this. So many show all 37 results. So many suggestions are there. This is all suggestion are discovered by the natural language processing, because in the natural language processing, why we are using for the asking a question. So let's suppose human is asking a question, so they will be interrelate and they will be convert with the help of the AI. So this is the powered by the AI, and you can ask any question. They will be check in the data set and they will be give you the related search. You can see here, this is all the details about your data. So this is the data discovery. So you can put it anything. You need to click on the insert pivot chart and your chart will be here and all the analysis will be there. So this is all about the analyzed data. This is a very important tool, is given by the Excel, and this is a new update in the Excel. Thank you guys.